Hey guys, it's Mary here. Listen, now Sherry's trying to take a video down that I made for her many years ago, or last year or something when her dad died. We were friends, and I did that to freaking as a gift to her because we were friends and I wanted to lift her spirits. That she knows about that video. She's known about that video. Since her father died, she's known about it. She's lying. She's lying to all of you. I'm telling you guys, you better watch your backs with Sherry. You better watch your back. That's all I've got to say. Sherry, that's what I think about you, okay? I really cared about you when I made that video, and you know damn well about it. You are so obsessed with me, Sherry, that you will not leave me alone. I have stopped and just decided to ignore your ass. But here you go. Here you go. You gotta do another thing, Sherry. You're the one that's obsessed. You had me fooled all those years. You had me fooled about everybody. You're the one that's obsessed. Grow up, Sherry. Hey guys, she even took down her comments off that video where she was crying and saying thank you and she loved me over it. Sherry, you're pathetic. Grow up. Leave me alone. I left you alone. Why are you still after me? What the hell is your misfunction? I don't get it, Sherry. Grow up and go away already. Just go away. You're like a freaking roach under my feet that just keep on multiplying. Go away, woman. Go away. A few moments later, on another topic. I am sorry, but this must go up because a lot of people don't know how to do it. Okay, guys, this is how you do it. This is how you report a channel. Okay, you go to About, you go to the flag, you go to Report User, you go to Harassment and Cyberbullying, you go to Next, then you click all of the videos because this channel is nothing but a hate channel and a cyberbullying channel. I just talked to the admin again. Yes, people that are monetized can talk to the admin directly. So the people that think they can't, I put a video up on my community wall to prove it. And you just collect. And by the way, this right here, this is my partner that is dead. How freaking dare you? How freaking dare you? Anyway, just keep on clicking, guys. Just like this. Put all their channels, all their videos, and then click Next. And then you put in your message. This channel and I will do it over and over and over until they do it. So, that is how you do it, guys. That is how you do it. Have a great day. I love you all. Just remember, if you support this channel, you don't support me. Just leave me. Don't be my friend because you're actually helping them to harass me. Just saying, you're helping them. You're not helping me. You're helping them. And it's really sad that we have friends that would support people like this. So that is how you report a channel, especially when they're a hate channel. And it's so much easier than having to go to each video to do it. So I hope that helps. And back to Sherry again. Sherry, I actually took the ads off that channel. The ads, okay, I want to explain this to everybody. I made that video in March of last year. I didn't get monetized until November of last year. So therefore, when I put that video up, it didn't have ads on it. When you set a channel up after it's been monetized, you put in a default setting. And my default setting is with ads on it because that's how us as creators make money. So it automatically clicked that video. I'm guessing that's what happened, because I didn't put the ads on that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had a package arrive. That's what that noise was. I don't even know where I was. All I know, about the ads being on that video. I believe whenever I put the default setting, the ads went on that video. Like I said, the video wasn't made until the video when I made it, I wasn't monetized, so there was no ads on it. When I got monetized in November, I put up my default settings as putting ads on all my videos, because as a creator, that's how we make our money. I did not intentionally put it on her video, and at the time when I made that video, like I said, she was happy about it. She was happy about it. And now, because she's mad at me, she's trying to stab me in every direction she can. Sherry, man, we're how old? This is ridiculous. This is stupid. Girl, this is stupid. Back off, Sherry. I said I was going to forget you, and here you make another video of me. And another video. I mean, are you that hard up for content that you gotta make a war with me? Come on, Sherry. Enough. My viewers don't want to see this stuff. Your viewers don't want to see this stuff. But you keep on doing it, and you keep on coming at me and coming at me. Sherry, grow up. Just because I proved the type of person that you are obsessed with me, girl. Here, you want a kiss? Mwah! Here, I'll give you a kiss. Is that what you want? You want a kiss with me? You know that I wouldn't kiss you. You're obsessed. Please, Sherry, go away. Go away. Go to your side of the community, and I'll stay on my side, okay? Go away. And friends, the ones that support that other channel that I showed you how to report it, if you're gonna support that channel, don't support me. Okay? Will, I loved you, buddy. I saw you on there supporting him. Maybe you don't realize that that's me that he's making fun of. That channel was to make fun of me, Will. Will, you're supposed to be my buddy, my friend. and you're supporting that. Anybody that is my friend wouldn't support a hate channel against me and my friends. If you are supporting that, I don't need you. Because you're supporting a channel that makes fun of a disabled woman and makes fun of other people that's not even making money on YouTube. And making fun of special people with, you know, that were born, you know, special. You're making fun of people that were born special. And a disabled woman. Is that the channel you want to support? You want to support a channel like that? Seriously? Oh, and by the way, I put my other video in private. Okay? Because I noticed that he was getting support. Now he's probably going to get more supporters. If you go over there and you support him, and you know he's hurting, he's trying to hurt me, just go away. I can't handle this bullcrap. Okay? My house isn't dirty. It doesn't smell like pee. I only wear a mask because of my teeth that my ex helped loosen and break out. You son of a bitch. And for you to say that you have contacted my ex, there's no way you've contacted my ex. He doesn't cook. He can't cook worth a shit. He doesn't clean the house. He doesn't worth a shit. How dare you? You have no idea. He would never say that he cleaned the house and he cooked. The only thing he did was feed the dogs, do the laundry, because it's hard for me to carry the big laundry basket and use my walker at the same time. But I'm doing it now. I've learned how to do it. And he mowed the lawn about once every 2 weeks. That's all he did. And he sat his fat ass on the computer in the back room and hardly talked to me. He would come get his food and go to his room and play with his little girlies. That's what he would do, guys. Don't y'all just love these people that make up stories to try to make a creator look bad? Don't you just love it? Oh, one more thing. I want to show y'all something. Hold on. Okay, guys. You see this right here? You see this right here? This is my partner that troll put on his video. This is his cremations. See that? That is my partner that I cherish. And probably the only partner that ever really loved me. That took care of me. And that died in my arms. And this is, and you're supporting that channel. When you subscribe to that channel, don't tell me you just subscribe to it to watch it. To watch what videos they make of me. You're supporting them. So please, leave me alone. Because you don't know what I've gone through. You have no idea. And I'm sorry that I am crying right now. But some people are really, really heartless. I loved this man. And I'll put his picture for you that don't know him at the end. But I loved him. He was my life. He was everything to me. And when he died, he made sure I was taken care of for a little while. That I died with him that day. And I should have never moved on to a man like Randall. I should never have moved on. I owed my partner so much more. And we worked together so hard. We actually worked at the same company. He worked uphill. He was the boss. And I worked down below inspecting parts for a little while when I was with him. I also cooked in a restaurant at the same time. Because I couldn't get as many hours, as he could. And I wanted to do my part of working with him. This is before I became disabled, guys. I didn't become disabled until 2013. But that is my partner. He is in here. It's pretty heavy. But I miss him. Please leave me alone. Whoever you are trolling me, just leave me alone.